Welcome to this presentation on fabrication of corrosion-resistant, bioactive, and antibacterial silver-substituted hydroxyapatite titania composite coating on CPTI. This research was conducted by Ramesh Babu Nagumothu et al. And published in 5th August 2011. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Titanium and its alloys are widely used for heart tissue replacement and cardiovascular devices due to their high mechanical strength, low elastic modulus, good corrosion resistance, and biocompatibility. However, they exhibit poor bioactivity, leading to mechanical rather than direct chemical bonding with host bone tissue. Hydroxyapatite HA coating can improve bioactivity but has challenges in chemical bonding with titanium due to different lattice structures and material properties. Silver substituted hydroxyapatite AJHA nanoparticles were prepared using a microwave processing technique. Analytical grade calcium hydroxide, diammonium hydrogen phosphate, and silver nitrate were used with a calcium silver phosphorus molar ratio of 10 to 6. The synthesis involved microwave irradiation for 30 minutes, followed by washing, drying, and powdering. The UGHHA nanoparticles synthesized by microwave processing exhibited characteristic HA diffraction peaks in XRD, indicating nano-sized particles. FTIR spectra confirmed the presence of phosphate and hydroxyl groups, with some carbonate ions present due to reaction with atmospheric CO2. TEM micrograph showed needle-like egg HA particles with lengths of 6070 nm and widths of 1520 nm. The development of the AGHATIO2 composite coating on CPTI via PEP was achieved in a single step, combining PEO and EPD. The microwave synthesis produced nano-sized AGHA particles beneficial for subsequent deposition. The PEP process, carried out in a constant current mode, involves initial TiO2 formation through PEO, followed by the incorporation of AGHA particles via EPD as the potential increases with coating thickness. A bioactive, corrosion-resistant, and antibacterial AGHATIO2 nanocomposite layer was successfully developed on CPTI in a single step using plasma electrolytic processing PP, a combination of plasma electrolytic oxidation PEO and electrophoretic deposition EPD techniques. The process yielded a relatively thick 83 micrometer AGHATIO2 layer within 6 minutes.